In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add another phone to Find My iPhone in just a few easy steps. Having another phone linked to your Find My iPhone account can be really helpful in case you lose your main device. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your name at the very top. After that, tap where it says Find My. And then tap where it says Find My iPhone. Now you need to enable the Find My iPhone option. To do that, simply toggle on this switch. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app and then open up the Find My app. If you get pop-ups asking for notifications and location permissions, allow them. And then select People at the bottom left and tap on the Start Sharing Location button. And then enter the recipient's email or phone number. Tap Send at the top right. And then select a time period for which you want to share your location. Now you've successfully added another phone to Find My. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.